and welcome to the Phonics channel with me, Mr. Tom, and today we're going to be looking at the name of these sounds. As we know what sounds these letters make, but they have their own name, and that's referred to as the alphabet. Okay, so the first letter in the alphabet is A. Then it's B, then C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, so let's say it all together with me now, just one time now. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, so those guys are the names of the letters of the alphabet. Okay, thank you very much for joining us today. Have a lovely day and I'll see you next time. Bye. So thank you for watching. Please remember to leave a like on the video, like the video, and remember to subscribe so you can see future videos. Subscribe. Also share it with your friends so they can improve their phonics as well. Share. And feel free to leave a comment on the video as well. Comment. Thank you very much.